What do you need to fit an FC7.0QM connector on our 6.60mm diameter DG113 cable? A COT05 model compression tool, a CS00 cable stripper, CAVEL FC02 scissors. How to fit an FC7.0QM connector on a CAVEL coaxial cable. First of all, level off the cable using CAVEL scissors. Then take the CS00 cable stripper and use it on the cable like this. Squeeze the jaws lightly and turn the cable stripper 5 or 6 times, and while keeping the jaws squeezed, strip the cable. In this case, there is no need to fold the braid over. Position the connector directly and complete the job using the COT05 compression tool. This tool is equipped with 3 inserts, one for F connectors, one for B and C connectors, and one for IEC connectors. Take the head for the F connectors and fit it on the tool. Then insert the cable connector assembly in the tool and press the connector all the way down. The connector is correctly fitted on the cable. CAVEL scissors can be used both to cut the CAVEL cable and to cut the internal conductor of the coaxial cable at 45 degrees angle, duckbill cut, to make it easier to insert it into the female F connectors. As an alternative to the cable stripper, you can use CAVEL scissors. You have to strip 6 mm of the cable to reveal the internal conductor like this. Then reveal 6 mm of the braid like this.